Discipline is needed to save money, says the author. He says that it is so easy to spend the money we get and the money we earn. He mentions that one day he bought a balloon which was 10 feet tall and 30 feet around. After many attempts, the author found out that this balloon can be blown using a vacuum cleaner by reversing its airflow. He wanted to take the balloon outside. Only then did he realize that the balloon is too big to fit through the door, and so he squeezed the balloon through the door after trying so hard. But one thing the author didn't think through is that the balloon was blown inside the house with warm air, and the air outside the house was cooler. So once the balloon was taken outside, it flew away because hot air rises in a cold environment. And he says that he found the balloon stuck in a tree half a mile away. The author says that he learned a very important lesson that day. That is, we should save our money for future needs like food, clothing and shelter, and not waste our money on these kind of stuffs like balloon and all. If you want to save your money from being stolen, that is, if you want to resist yourself from spending the money on these kind of temptations, what should you do? I will tell you now. Let us suppose you want to save your $1,000. Now what will you do with that? Say plan A. Say you keep your money under your bed or in a piggy bank. It is a good thing to save money, but by putting it in a piggy bank, your money will not grow or multiply. Instead, the value of your money will reduce. Confused, right? What would you buy for $1,000 today cannot be bought in the future because the cost of that product will increase. So plan A is a flop. Now plan B. You can deposit your money in a bank, which is a better idea because instead of holding it in, when you deposit in a bank, you may get a nice interest, say 5% for 5 years. In the first year, you will get profit of $50. In the next year, 5% interest on $1,050 will be $1,102.50, and so you will get $52.50 as interest. So in this way, after 5 years, you will get $1,276. Not bad though. This is definitely better than keeping it under your cot, right? Plan C. Many companies sell their businesses bonds in order to raise money. Tea and coffee shops we find at the end of our street will not do this. But big multi-million-dollar companies like McDonald's will do these. They might give you 8% interest per annum for holding your money, say for 10 years. This is definitely better than the bank interest. But in case a situation occurs that they shut down their company, then you might not even get your money back. And that is why they give such high interest. US government does the same thing too. One exception though. You'll get your money back with up to 6% interest with no risk involved. But our concern is that our money should be safe and we should get returns with interest higher than 6% because their government will itself give them their money back with 6% interest. So we need to invest in something like Jason's gum business that I mentioned in the previous video because he is the one who can give us returns with more than 6% of interest. Now, how to invest in businesses like that of Jason's? I shall explain it in the next video. This video is a short summary of a small portion from the book called The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. Use the link given in the description box to buy a copy for yourself. Please like, comment and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to Fun Maths Academy. Thank you.